Ever feel like the pieces of your professional life, your projects, your team, your data, are scattered, just out of reach, making it harder than it should be to truly see the bigger picture and move forward with confidence? Think about it. You're juggling multiple initiatives, trying to keep everyone aligned, and sifting through endless streams of information. It's like trying to solve a complex puzzle with half the pieces missing and the other half jumbled in different boxes. You know there's potential, you sense the connections, but actually bringing it all together into a cohesive, actionable strategy feels, well, challenging. Maybe you're leading a team struggling with communication silos, where crucial insights get lost in email threads or buried in individual spreadsheets. Perhaps you're a project manager wrestling with deadlines, resource allocation, and the constant risk of things slipping through the cracks. Or maybe you're an executive trying to get a clear, real-time overview of your organization's performance, struggling to connect disparate data points into meaningful intelligence. This feeling of disconnect, this friction in turning potential into progress, is something many professionals and organizations grapple with every single day. We live in a world overflowing with tools and platforms, each promising to solve a specific problem. But often, these solutions operate in isolation, creating more complexity rather than clarity. You end up switching between countless tabs, manually compiling reports, and still feeling like you're missing the crucial links. So, let's get straight to it. What exactly is BluPeak? At its heart, BluPeak is a unified work management platform. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another work management platform? There are already so many out there. And you're right. The market is saturated. But BluPeak isn't just another task tracker or project management tool. It's designed with a different philosophy in mind, interconnectedness and holistic oversight. Imagine a digital ecosystem where your projects aren't just lists of tasks, but dynamic entities linked to the people responsible, the resources they need, and the overarching strategic objectives they contribute to. Picture a space where communication isn't scattered across emails and chat channels, but integrated directly within the context of the work itself. Envision having real-time visibility into progress, potential roadblocks, and key performance indicators, all in one intuitive interface. That's the promise of BluPeak. It's about moving beyond fragmented tools and embracing a platform that fosters collaboration, transparency, and data-driven decision-making across your entire workflow. Think of it as a central nervous system for your professional endeavors. It connects the different parts of your body, your teams, your projects, your data, allowing information to flow freely and enabling coordinated action. So, what are some of the key features and functionalities that make BluPeak stand out? While the specific capabilities can be extensive and tailored to different needs, there are some core elements that define its value proposition. Firstly, project and task management is, of course, a fundamental aspect. But BluPeak goes beyond simple to-do lists. It allows for the creation of complex project structures with dependencies, milestones, and resource allocation. You can visualize project timelines with Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or list views, adapting to your preferred way of working. But the crucial difference is how these projects are interconnected with other aspects of your work. Secondly, team collaboration and communication are deeply integrated. BluPeak provides dedicated workspaces for teams and projects, facilitating seamless communication through direct messaging, threaded discussions, and file sharing, all within the context of the relevant tasks and projects. This reduces the reliance on external communication tools and keeps everyone on the same page. Thirdly, resource management becomes more efficient. BluPeak allows you to track the availability and allocation of resources, whether it's team members, equipment, or budget, ensuring that the right people are working on the right tasks at the right time, preventing overloads and optimizing utilization. Fourthly, data analytics and reporting are built in, providing you with real-time insights into project progress, team performance, and overall organizational health. Customizable dashboards and reports allow you to track key metrics, identify trends, and make data-informed decisions. This moves you beyond reactive problem-solving to proactive strategy execution. Fifthly, integration capabilities are crucial in today's interconnected digital landscape. BluPeak is designed to integrate with other essential tools you might already be using, such as CRM systems, communication platforms, and file storage solutions, creating a more seamless and efficient workflow. But BluPeak is more than just a collection of features. It's built on a core set of principles that guide its design and functionality. One of these principles is clarity. In a world of information overload, BluPeak aims to provide a clear and concise overview of what's happening, what needs to be done, and who is responsible. By centralizing information and providing intuitive visualizations, it reduces ambiguity and empowers everyone to understand their role and the overall progress. Another key principle is connectivity. BluPeak recognizes that work doesn't happen in isolation. It's designed to foster connections between people, projects, and data, allowing for a more holistic understanding and more effective collaboration. By breaking down silos and promoting transparency, it enables teams to work together more seamlessly towards common goals. Furthermore, flexibility is a cornerstone of BluPeak. Recognizing that different teams and organizations have unique needs and workflows, the platform is designed to be adaptable and customizable. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, BluPeak can be tailored to fit your specific requirements. And finally, empowerment is at the heart of BluPeak's mission. By providing individuals and teams with the tools and insights they need to manage their work effectively, make informed decisions, and track their progress, BluPeak empowers them to take ownership and achieve their full potential. BluPeak is designed to address many of these considerations. Its scalable architecture can accommodate growing teams and complex projects. Its intuitive interface aims for ease of adoption. Its integration capabilities are constantly expanding. And its focus on providing a holistic view and driving efficiency is intended to deliver significant value. Ultimately, BluPeak is about transforming the way we work. It's about moving away from fragmented tools and isolated data towards a more connected, collaborative, and insightful approach. It's about empowering individuals and teams to achieve more by working smarter, not just harder. It's about turning that feeling of scattered pieces into a clear, cohesive, and actionable picture. It's about taking control of the complexity and unlocking your team's full potential. It's about seeing the peaks you can reach when everything works together seamlessly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.